Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to use digit attribute in float data type field in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to implement Kanban view to our custom module in Odoo 19. So basically, we have studied list view and form view till now, but there are other views as well which can be utilized in Odoo. For example, currently I am in my library management module. Now let me just duplicate this tab, and here let's go to the content. Here you can see it is the list view. Now when you go to the right side, here you can see there is another view option of Kanban. And here in the Kanban view, you can see all the details in a card form. So how do we implement such functionality in our custom module? Let's see. For the first thing, we need to add the Kanban view. So that let's go to the code. In the codes, go for the books view. Here is our view in which we have added the list view and form view up till now. Now what we will do? We will simply add here record and name it as books Kanban view, and similarly name as well kanban.books.view, and model as usual ir.ui.view, similar to here. See, you can see similarly. And now just write model field. Model is our library dot books. Right after that, field, what we have to write after that, we simply write here name is equals to art, type is equals to XML. Type is equals to XML. Now before this, I will simply just comment this part, and I will simply show you a default Kanban view. Currently we have only here added list and form view. So in the view, book view, there is no option like in the context menu. See here, because we have only set list and form view. Now what if I add Kanban view? Let's see. Here list and form, I will simply add Kanban. Restart my server, go to the browser, duplicate my tab, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading, go to library management, and now you can see in previous tab, you can see there was no option is shown, but we have added Kanban view here, so we can see here. On clicking on that, removing the filter, we can see a small card view is shown, but it is not like this. So let's just add such features in our own card view or Kanban view. So go to the code. Now first we will uncomment our previous code, and here, like similar to form and list tag, we need to add Kanban. After that, we have to add the templates tag, and at last we have to add t tag. The name it as card, and add a class is equals to flex row. Why flex row? Because we want Here image to be shown on left side and all the details on the right side in proper way. So we have used flex row and simply just close the t tag. After that, first thing we need to do for the image, we need to add our image in the aside tag. So we will simply use aside tag. In that aside tag, we will simply use our field. What is our field name for the image? It is basically the image field. Let's go to the books. Here, see, it is image field. We will simply copy it and here simply add image. Now simply I'll just restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, see the view. See, currently you can see the value is not shown proper. Why? Because we have not added proper widgets. So first thing we need to do is add a widget. Also, we can see the card is empty. Why? Because in our template, we have not added any information regarding the particular record. So I'll simply add here widget is equals to image and simply restart my server. Go to the browser, to the apps, upgrade my module, upgrading, go to the library management, remove the filter on the view. See, now you can see the image is on the left side of the particular card view. Now what we need to do, we need to add all the details of the particular record. For that, let's just go to the code and here let's see, I want this much details. I'll simply copy this and here inside the main tag, remember you need to add main tag. In that main tag, I'll simply use this here and then restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module, library management, remove the filter. See, you can see all the details are shown of the particular books. So by this way, you can add Kanban view to your particular custom module. Also guys, if you want to copy a particular Kanban view from the Odoo's default code, what you can do, here you can see this is contact Kanban view. Now what if I want to use this type of format in our custom module? So in order to do that, all you need to do is first activate the developer mode and after that go to the Kanban view, click on debug menu and here you can see there is a menu called view Kanban. In the view Kanban, you can see here our entire code will be shown here. It is just code which is used for creating that particular Kanban view. So you can use this particular code and modify it as per your own custom module. I hope this topic had been understood by you. Kanban view is a very useful view which can be used in multiple occasions. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.